Welcome to my channel, Everyday English Lab.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Lab, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Sarah.
Hello, Sarah. Hi, everyone. It is so wonderful to be here with you today. I am very happy.
I am happy too, Tom. You look very good today. You don't look tired like last time.
Yes, you're right. I am not tired today. I had a very big sleep last night, and I had my green tea this morning. It was a very good morning. And you, Sarah? How are you doing?
I am doing great, thank you. I have my big warm coffee here, and the sun is shining. It is a beautiful day to learn English.
It really is. And I am excited. You told me we have a very important topic today.
Yes, we do. Today, we are going to talk about something everyone needs. It is the first step when you meet a new person. We are talking about how to introduce yourself.
Ooh, introducing yourself, that is so important. When I meet a new person, I sometimes feel a little nervous. My heart goes boom, boom, boom.
I understand, Tom. Everyone feels a little nervous. But introducing yourself is like a key. It opens the door to a new friendship or a new job.
That is a nice way to say it. A key. I like that.
Yes. But before we give everyone the key, we have to ask for a small favor.
Oh, yes. Everyone, if you like our chats, please click the like button right now. It is a big help for us.
Yes, please. And subscribe to Everyday English Lab. We want to make many podcasts for you. And when you subscribe, it helps our channel grow.
And don't forget to share this with your friends. If your friends are learning English, they can listen to us and learn how to introduce themselves too.
Exactly. Okay, Tom, are you ready to start?
I am ready. My shoulders are back, I have a big smile, and I'm ready.
Good job. That is actually the first tip. Just like we talked about in our confidence episode, a smile and good body language are very important when you say hello.
Yes. So I walk to a person, I smile, and I say hello. But then, what do I say next?
Well, the most basic thing is your name. But did you know there are different ways to say your name?
Really? I usually just say, I am Tom.
That is perfect. I am Tom is very natural and friendly. You can also say my name is Tom.
My name is more formal?
A little bit. Yes. I am Sarah is very common with friends. My name is Sarah is great for a meeting at work. Maybe for a meeting with your boss, Mr. Henderson.
Oh, yes. Hello, Mr. Henderson. My name is Tom. That sounds very professional.
Exactly. And sometimes people have long names, but they have a short name too. We call that a nickname.
Oh, like Christopher and Chris.
Yes. Like your friend Chris at work. You can say, my name is Christopher, but please call me Chris.
Ah, that is very helpful. It makes the conversation feel more relaxed. My name is Tom, but, well, my name is just Tom.
That's okay. Now, after the name, people usually want to know where you are from.
This is where I say I am from Canada.
Yes, that is a classic sentence. I am from and then your country. But you can also say your city.
So I can say I am from Canada, from a city called Toronto.
Perfect. It gives more information. And Tom, what if you live in a different place now? For example, you are from Canada, but maybe you live in London now.
Oh, then I can say I am from Canada, but I live in London now.
Yes, that is a great sentence because it tells a small story. It makes the other person curious. They might ask, "Oh, do you like London?"
I see. It helps the conversation keep going. It's not just one word.
Exactly. Now, the third part of a good introduction is often about what you do, your job, or your studies.
I can say I am a teacher or I am a podcast host.
Yes. And for our listeners, if they are students, they can say, I am a student or I am studying English. What if someone doesn't have a job right now?
That's okay. They can talk about what they are interested in. They can say, I am looking for a job in marketing, or I am busy taking care of my family.
That is good to know. It's about sharing a little bit of your life.
Yes. And here's a pro tip, Sarah. Don't just talk about work. Talk about something you love, a hobby.
A hobby, like my coffee.
Yes, you can say, I am Sarah. I am a podcast host, and I love drinking coffee.
I love that. It makes me sound more fun.
It does. If you only talk about work, it can be a little boring. But if you say, I love cooking Italian food, or I'm a big fan of movies, the other person can connect with you.
Like you and your bicycle, Tom. You can say, I am Tom, and I really love riding my bicycle.
Yes, I actually say that a lot. People remember me as the guy who loves bicycles. It is a good way to be remembered.
Wow. So, name, country or city, job, and a hobby. That is a very good introduction.
It is. But we are missing one very important thing. Sarah, after you talk about yourself, what do you do?
Hmm. I wait.
No, you must ask the other person. A conversation is like a game of tennis. You hit the ball to them.
Ah, so I ask, and you?
Yes. Or how about you? Or what is your name?
Hello. My name is Sarah. I am from the United States. I am a podcast host, and I love coffee. How about you?
That is perfect, Sarah. You are a star.
Thank you, Tom. But wait, I have a question. What if I meet someone at a party? Is it different from a job interview?
That is a great question. Yes, the energy is different. At a party, you can be very informal. You can say, Hi, I'm Tom. I'm a friend of Maria's.
Ah, so you say how you know the person who invited you.
Yes, that is a very easy way to start. I work with Chris, or I live next door to Jessica. It gives you a connection.
I like that. Connection is a good word.
Really is. Now let's talk about the when. When you meet someone in the morning, do you say the same thing as in the evening?
Well, I can always say hello.
You can, but using good morning, good afternoon, or good evening makes you sound very polite and very good at English.
So in the morning, I say good morning. I'm Sarah. And in the evening, I say good evening.
Yes, just be careful with good night.
Why? Isn't that for the evening?
Good night is usually for when you are leaving or going to sleep. If you arrive at a party at 8 p.m., you should say good evening.
Oh, I didn't know that. So good evening is hello and good night is goodbye.
Exactly. You are learning so fast, Sarah.
I am trying. This is fun. So, Tom, let's try a little practice. Let's pretend we are at a coffee shop and we are meeting for the first time.
Okay, I love this. I am sitting at a table with my coffee.
Okay. Hello, is this seat free?
Yes, it is. Please sit down.
Thank you. I'm Sarah, by the way. I'm waiting for my tea.
Nice to meet you, Sarah. I'm Tom. Are you from around here?
Actually, no. I'm from the United States, but I'm visiting a friend here. How about you, Tom? Do you live in this city?
Yes, I do. I live just 5 minutes away. I come here every day for my coffee.
Wow, that's great. What do you do, Tom?
I am a podcast host. I love talking to people. And you?
I am a teacher, and in my free time, I like to save money for a new camera.
That is a great goal. It was very nice to meet you, Sarah.
It was nice to meet you too, Tom.
End of scene. That was great, Sarah. You used all the tips.
It felt very natural. I didn't feel too nervous because I knew what to say.
That is the secret. If you have a plan in your head, the words come out easier.
You know, I was thinking about my friend Jessica and her colleague Mike at her office. Remember the story about the big presentation?
Oh, yes, the long meeting and the stress.
Well, when Jessica started her job last month, she was very quiet. She didn't introduce herself to everyone. She just sat at her desk.
Oh, that is hard. It makes it difficult for people to know her.
Yes, but Mike is the opposite. He went to everyone and said, "Hey, I'm Mike. I'm the new guy here."
That sounds like Mike. But you know, Sarah, you don't have to be loud like Mike. You can be quiet like Jessica and still give a great introduction.
Really? How?
You can just go to one person at a time. A small smile and hello, I am Jessica. I am new here is enough. You don't have to talk to the whole room.
That is a very good point. Introductions can be small and quiet too.
Exactly. It's about being friendly, not about being loud.
I agree. Now, Tom, what if someone asks a question I don't understand during an introduction?
Don't panic. Just like we said in our confidence episode, you can say, I'm sorry, can you repeat that? Or what does that word mean?
Right. People are usually happy to explain. They know you are learning.
Yes. Most people are very kind. If you are brave and try to speak, they will respect you.
Brave is a good word. It is brave to speak a new language.
It really is. I am always so proud of our listeners.
Me too. They are doing a great job.
They are. Now, Sarah, I want to talk about one more thing. What about introducing other people?
Oh, that is a good question. Sometimes you are with two friends and they don't know each other.
Exactly. So, what do you do?
You can say, "Sarah, this is my friend Tom. Tom, this is Sarah."
That is perfect, simple, and clear.
And then you can add a little information. You can say, "Tom loves bicycles," or "Sarah is a teacher."
Oh, that is smart. It gives them something to talk about.
Yes, it helps the conversation start. They can say, "Oh, bicycles? I love bicycles too."
I see. So, you are like a bridge. You connect two people.
Exactly. And that is a very nice thing to do.
It is. Makes everyone feel comfortable.
And Tom, what about formal situations, like at a conference or a business meeting?
That is a little different. You should use full names and titles,
What do you mean by titles?
like Dr. Smith or Professor Johnson or Mr. Anderson.
Oh, I see. So I can say, "Good morning, Dr. Smith. My name is Sarah Wilson. It is a pleasure to meet you."
Yes, that is very professional, and you can add, I work in marketing or I am a student at the university.
And then what?
Then you can ask a question. You can say, what brings you to this conference? Or what is your area of expertise?
Expertise. That is a big word.
It means what they are very good at, what they know a lot about.
Ah, I understand. So I am showing interest in them.
Yes, people love to talk about what they know.
That is true. It makes the conversation easy.
It does, and it makes you look very polite and professional.
I like that. So in formal situations, use full names and titles. Ask about their work. Be polite and interested.
Perfect summary, Sarah.
Thank you. Now, Tom, before we finish, let's remember the main points we talked about today.
Oh, yes, I remember. First, always start with a smile and say hello.
Yes. And then say your name. You can use I am or my name is. And don't forget to mention if you have a nickname.
And then tell people where you are from. It's a great way to start a small conversation about travel or home.
Exactly. And tell them what you do, your job or your studies, but try to add something fun like a hobby or something you love.
Like my bicycle or your coffee.
Yes. And the most important part, ask them a question back. Say, and you? To keep the tennis game going.
And we learned that good morning, good afternoon, and good evening are very polite ways to start.
You got it, Tom. You are ready to meet anyone now.
I feel ready. I want to go to a park and meet new people.
That's the spirit. And remember, everyone, practice makes perfect. The more you introduce yourself, the easier it becomes.
Yes, you can practice in front of a mirror at home. Say your introduction out loud.
That is a great tip. Or you can practice with a friend or family member.
And don't worry about making mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes. It is part of learning.
That is so true. The important thing is to try. Be brave and speak.
I agree. And you know what? Most people are very happy when you try to speak English. They will help you.
Yes, they will smile and encourage you.
So don't be shy. Don't be afraid. Just say hello and introduce yourself.
You can do it. We believe in you.
We really do. You are all amazing learners.
Well, everyone, we hope you enjoyed this episode about introducing yourself.
Yes, it was so much fun. Please tell us in the comments. Can you introduce yourself to us?
Yes, write in the comments what is your name, where are you from, and what is one thing you love.
We love reading your introductions. It is our favorite part of the day.
And please, if this episode helped you, click the like button and share it with a friend.
And subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to Everyday English Lab so you can listen to our next chat.
Thank you so much for being with us today. You are all amazing.
Yes, thank you. Practice your introduction today, even if it's just in the mirror.
See you next time, Tom. Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.